Hi friends, welcome to BIMS Exam Made Easy. Today, 21st March is observed as World Down Syndrome Day by WHO. What is Down syndrome? Down syndrome is an autosomal genetic disorder characterized by trisomy 21. That means 21st chromosome has 3 pairs instead of 2. 3 pair at 21st chromosome. So, third month, March 21st day is observed as World Down Syndrome Day. We dedicate this day specially to all Down syndrome individuals. In this video, we are going to discuss about its definition, types, history, etiology, clinical features, associated abnormalities, mortality, prenatal screening, treatment, and its Ayurvedic approach. First, definition. Down syndrome is an autosomal genetic disorder in which chromosome 21 has either full or partial extra copy in some or all cells. Its karyotype is 47XX plus 21. Incidence of Down syndrome is 1 among 800 to 1000 live births. Then its types. There are mainly 3 types. Trisomy 21, the most common type of Down syndrome, seen in 94% cases. In trisomy 21, every cell has 3 freestanding copies of chromosome 21. Second type, mosaicism, seen among 1% cases. It is a rare type of Down syndrome. In mosaicism, only some cells have an extra chromosome 21 while others are normal. Third one, translocation Down syndrome. It is seen among 4% cases. In this, each cell has part of an extra chromosome 21 or an entirely extra one, but it is attached to another chromosome instead of being its own. The phenotype in translocation Down syndrome is same as trisomy 21. Then about history of Down syndrome. Down syndrome is first described in 1866 by John Langdon Down, and thus Down syndrome is named after him. The cause of Down syndrome is explained by Lichvini and Tarpin in 1959 that individuals with Down syndrome carries 47 chromosomes. Then what is the etiology of Down syndrome? Usually Down syndrome is due to meiotic non-disjunction, that means failure of chromosome pair to separate during meiosis. Then the occurrence rate increases with advancing maternal age, especially over 35 years. This is attributed to the exposure of maternal oocyte to harmful environmental influences for a longer period, since Graafian follicles are present in fetal life and exist through female reproductive life. On the other hand, the sperm has a short lifespan and therefore has less chances of injurious exposure. The origin of extra chromosome in Down syndrome being either maternal or paternal. In most cases, it is from the mother. Then about the clinical features. Neonatal hypotonia. It is present in the birth itself but sometimes missed due to premature birth. Then the short stature is one of the clinical features. Mild to moderate mental retardation is seen among Down syndrome individuals. Their IQ ranges from 25 to 70. They may have mild to moderate developmental delay. The symptoms or signs in Down syndrome individuals vary from individual to individual. Their skull may appear as small, brachycephalic, and they may have flat occiput. They may have flat face. They may have upward slant of eyes. They may have epicanthal folds. oblique palpebral fissure which may obvious only when eyes are open. They may have speckled iris or brush-filled spots. They may have small nose with flat nasal bridge. They may have small dysplastic ears and furrowed protruding tongue, and their characteristic facial grimace on crying is also a major clinical feature. In case of limbs, they may have single palmar crease. Their hand may be short and broad. There may be a wide gap between the first and the second toe. Then the hypoplasia of middle phalanx of fifth finger is also a clinical feature in Down syndrome individuals. Then about the associated abnormalities of Down syndrome. Congenital heart abnormality is the most common one. Then intestinal atresia may seen. Visual abnormalities may seen like increased risk of strabismus, nystagmus, cataract, squint, and abnormalities of visual acuity. Chronic rhinitis, conjunctivitis, periodontal disease are common in Down syndrome individuals. Lower respiratory tract infection also pose a threat to the life of Down syndrome individuals. Other abnormalities include thyroid dysfunction. Physical growth of Down syndrome individuals may retarded as compared to normal individuals, tend to become obese with age. Then increased incidence of leukemia is seen among Down syndrome individuals. Atlanto-occipital subluxation are also seen. By the age of 40, almost all individuals with Down syndrome will have developed Alzheimer's disease. Then the mortality among Down syndrome individuals. Major cause for early mortality in Down syndrome individuals is congenital heart disease, and almost 50% die in infancy itself. Hematological malignancies are another cause of increased mortality among Down syndrome people. Then prenatal screening is must among parents of increased risk of Down syndrome individuals. That means women or mother with previous child having Down syndrome and women with increased maternal age should undergo chorionic villus blood sampling or amniocentesis to rule out the possibility of chromosomal abnormalities like Down syndrome cases. Alpha protein HCG assay are also should be done in women with lesser risk for chromosomal abnormalities. UST will also help in prenatal screening of chromosomal abnormalities like Down syndrome cases. Then about the treatment. No medical system have definite treatment for Down syndrome. We can only give supportive management to Down syndrome individuals like physiotherapy, stimulation program, speech therapy, etc. Management of associated morbidities should be done, like in case of congenital heart disease, surgeries will help the individual to live longer. Then the counseling for parents also helps to manage the Down syndrome individuals in a better way. Then what is the role of Ayurveda in Down syndrome individuals? Like any other medical system, Ayurveda can also has a supportive role, supportive management in Down syndrome individuals. Ayurveda can manage associated problems like respiratory infection, digestive problems, etc. Then Udvartana and Abhinga can be done according to the condition of the patient. This is all about Down syndrome. Thank you for hearing me. Hope you will enjoy the video. Please supporting us.